I'm Twyla Dill. My business is Twyla Dill or Twyla Dill Design. Kind of depends on which day it is. So before I joined SOS, I would say my online sales were sporadic, and I definitely had them, but they weren't regular every month, and I couldn't count on anything online. And I've been in SOS since January, so only 3 months, but I've started to see my online sales pick up in that I've had a consistent stream every month, if not every day. I certainly have a good amount coming in every month online.
Yes.
Yeah, I decided to join SOS because I love growing my business fast, and I have a hard time with figuring out what is the most important thing to do. I get a little distracted by the details. I work in my business instead of on my business. And I wanted to shift that. And so I thought SOS would be a really good way to put a lot more focus there in the growth and getting everything online, because I don't want to have to be at in-person shows all the time. I want to be selling online. That's important. When I heard about SOS, I did question the price just a little bit. It's expensive, but it's so worth it. And my concerns were maybe that it would be a lot of work, which obviously it's a lot of work, and that's what I wanted. But I really like that it's spread out over a year, because there is a lot of time to implement. I've taken courses before where it's like a month or 3 months or something like that, and you just feel like you have so much information thrown at you and you don't have time to actually put it into work. So having it be a full year with support and with coaches and all of that made it seem more doable. And I definitely started working as well. I joined in October technically, but right before the holidays I thought I cannot start now. So I started working in January, and since then it's been game on, and I've just been working away. Yeah, I think I've been really supported with the coaching. What I love is that we have our coaching meeting once a month with a different coach, but then there are so many support people that we can reach out to if we feel stuck. The Facebook group is really amazing, where we can reach out to our peers and ask questions, and there's just so much good information. But I'm also really excited for the future of SOS and new coaches that are going to be helping to kind of guide us more. I don't think I felt overwhelmed or unclear about anything, really.
Awesome.
It seemed pretty clear to me. Yeah. Oh man, the juiciest oh yeah moment. I think probably it's very simple, but needing to email my list once a week as opposed to like once a month. And I only started I didn't start right in January emailing once a week to my list, but I started probably 3 or 4 weeks ago, and I've seen at least one sale or more every week directly from that email. So that is so important to me, to just email more frequently. I am constantly surprised that I like the business side of my business so much. I started making jewelry because I liked making jewelry, and now I spend a lot of time not making jewelry, which is sometimes disappointing, but I'm really surprised at how much I really like working on my business and making money, and how fun it can actually be if you're doing something that is making progress. Okay, 3 SOS words. Work, community, and inspiration. I don't know. I love stepping into a brighter spotlight online. I think it's really exciting to connect with people more who aren't just at shows that I'm at. It can be difficult to convey what you want to say online, but I'm learning that like video and things like that can help really connect as if you are in person when you're not. Well, my sales for last year, I hit my goal on December 31st and I sold 150,000. But comparing my first quarter last year to this quarter, I have 72% growth. So I went from 19,000 the first quarter of 2018 to 33,000 the first quarter of 2019. So that's pretty exciting. My email list has continued to grow. I always collected a lot of emails at in-person shows, which I do a lot of, so I'm continuing to do that. But I did add a specific email list for my Instagram, and that started to grow, and I have a new pop-up on my website since SOS that's doing better and collecting a lot of emails. And then after starting SOS, I started to work with so far just one Instagram influencer, and that has actually seen a big bump in Instagram followers as well, and sales from that also. SOS is awesome.